In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, select an app you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner and enjoy using your app in this photo window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. You can also tap on home button, swipe it to the side and turn it into a bubble to open it later by clicking on the bubble and using your app in this little window again. If you wish to resize your window, hold one of its corners and drag it. If you wish to use it in full screen view, click at the top left corner, and to close it completely, click at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!